Learning how to code is an incredibly hard thing to do. There are resources out there, but a lot of them are normally locked behind paywalls. It is also difficult to know what will best teach you, so finding one is a struggle. However, there is a resource that can help you with this, and its name is O'Reilly. It is filled with books, videos, and courses for a wide variety of subjects, including most programming languages. And best of all, accessing it through the WVU library makes it completely free for students. That is why today I'll be sharing with you how to access O'Reilly, as how to utilize some of its tools. In order to get to O'Reilly, you should first go to the WVU library homepage. In order to best narrow down the search options, you should then click on the Databases tab. Otherwise, you might not be able to find the website as easily. The tab you should click on is shown in this video with the yellow circle. Then you should type in O'Reilly into the search bar and click the magnifying glass. This then brings you to this screen, which only has one search result on it. This is the page you want to go to, so click on it to be transported to O'Reilly's homepage. Shown here is O'Reilly's homepage, from which you can go to its many resources. There are a lot of different places that you can click, and they all could be very useful. On the top left, you can click on Topics to get a drop down of the list of different opportunities you can gain knowledge on. A few of these topics include cloud computing, data science, security, and business. There's also a section for interesting courses you may want to look at, as well as a history of your courses accessed. However, if you are just starting out, it may be useful for you to check out the Learn by Role or Build Your Skills sections. I chose the Build Your Skills section to sort by what skills I am interested in. You can search through all of the skills. However, if that is overwhelming, O'Reilly provides you with the 25 most popular skills. I chose 5 of them as an example and then saved my predictions. After selecting those skills, you're brought to this page, which is filled with different courses. You can scroll through the courses, which are sorted by relevance, rating, and number of ratings. Once you find a course you like, you can click on it. Once you click on a course, you will be brought to this page to take it. Most likely, this will have a video player in order to watch the first lesson. There are also options for transcripts, course description, and a very detailed table of contents. If courses are not for you and you would rather textbooks, O'Reilly also has a wide range of those as well. As an example, I find a textbook that I had previously used to learn some Python on this resource. This book normally needs to be purchased online, but with O'Reilly, it is completely free to access. O'Reilly is an incredibly useful resource that I think a lot of students at WVU could benefit from using. There are a variety of different topics I can search on this website that are all very technical and could be a boon for a resume. Within each of these topics, there are also different ways to learn, from courses to videos to textbooks. O'Reilly really allows for students to find what works best for them. There are also a wide range of difficulties in the types of courses, so you really can select how in-depth you want to go. And best of all, being a WVU student is completely free for you to use this. If you want to learn some new technical skills, please check out O'Reilly and benefit from what it has to offer. These are my works cited. Thank you for listening.